Hi there. Today we're going to read The Ship of Shapes. This book is assigned to you in Raz Kids, so you can read it on your own or listen to me read it. The Ship of Shapes. What's a ship? Oh, a ship is like a boat. So let's find out what the Ship of Shapes is all about. One day, Elder Decagon saw that the shapes on Shape Island had become lazy. They sat in their huts, fanning themselves until it was time to eat. Oh, so the shapes that you see in this picture are the residents of an island. They're the people that live there. So I see triangles and squares, a heart, an oval, a star. And this is the Elder Decagon. So I think that she's probably like the mayor of the island, the person in charge. The different shapes didn't like to spend time with each other. The rectangles stayed with the rectangles, the circles with the circles, and so on. You can kind of see it here, right? Like these ovals are playing together, the squares are playing together, the stars are playing together, the heart's by himself, but no one's playing together with other shapes. Elder Decagon came up with a plan. Oh, 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 she exclaimed. Worried, the shapes gathered around her. That's a good emotion word that we can talk about. Worried. How does it look when you're worried about something? It's kind of how I look. Like I kind of feel nervous or scared. And we can see that these shapes look worried too. Big, scary fire mountain just spoke, she said. It will erupt soon, and all our pants will be on fire. We must leave the island. Oh no. The shapes were confused and scared. Didn't you hear me? Pants will be on fire, Elder Decagon yelled. So this person looks like surprised. They look worried. He looks kind of like confused. What should we do? The shapes asked. You should build a ship, she said very slowly. The shapes cheered for the great idea and hurried off to begin. The next day, Elder Decagon was surprised to see many ships on the beach. Each ship was meant for only one kind of shape. None of these ships are ship-shape, she said. The triangle's boat will tip in the water. Do you see? The oval ship will float, but it won't move. The square ship will move, but too slowly. What should we do? The shapes asked. You should build one big ship, Elder Decagon said very slowly. This time the shapes didn't cheer. They weren't sure how to work together. Elder Decagon picked up a stick and started to draw. She showed them how the square's sails would move the oval's boat. See the squares up here and half of the oval. The triangle's bottom would keep it from tipping. Oh, you see a little triangle right here? The star's propeller and the heart's oars would help the ship move faster. In the end, all of the shapes went into the ship. The shapes stared at the drawing, but no one moved. Pants will be on fire! Elder Decagon yelled. The shapes went to work. When it was finished, all the shapes climbed onto the ship. They waited for Big Scary Fire Mountain to erupt. But it never did. And the shapes asked Elder Decagon why it didn't. She just said, Look at this wonderful ship-shaped ship. It shows that if you work hard together, you can go anywhere and do anything. After some thought, the shapes agreed. They decided to work together to make Ship Island a better place. Shape Island. I'm sorry, do you see that? That doesn't say ship. It says shape. They also decided to explore the seas in their ship-shaped ship. The end. Thanks for watching.